Welcome back to my YouTube channel, RJ Coding Tips. I hope everyone is fine. In today's video, we are going to discuss about array and sorting arrays using Python programming. So consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn notifications on to get the latest updates. So let's start the video. What is an array? Why do we use array? Array. An array is a collection of elements that are stored in contiguous memory locations and identified by an index or a key. Arrays can be of various data types and are a fundamental data structure used in many programming languages. They are used for a wide range of applications, such as sorting, searching, and data storage. Arrays can be one-dimensional, two-dimensional, or multidimensional, depending on the number of indices required to access an element. One of the advantages of arrays is that they allow for efficient access to and manipulation of elements. This is because the elements are stored in contiguous memory locations. Let us look at the example of an array. Sorting an array. Sorting refers to the process of arranging data in a specific order, usually ascending or descending. It is an important operation in computer programming used for searching, data analysis, and processing. Sorting can be done using various algorithms, such as bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, quicksort, and heap sort, each with its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of speed, memory usage, and stability. There are many ways to sort an array in programming. Some of the most common sorting algorithms are: bubble sort, a simple algorithm that compares adjacent elements in the array and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. This process is repeated until the entire array is sorted. Selection sort, this algorithm selects the smallest element in the array and places it at the beginning. It then finds the second smallest element and places it in the second position, and so on until the entire array is sorted. Insertion sort, this algorithm builds the final sorted array one item at a time. It iterates through the input array and inserts each item into its proper position in the sorted array. Merge sort, this algorithm divides the input array into two halves, sorts each half recursively, and then merges the two sorted halves back together. Python provides built-in functions for sorting lists and arrays, but we are going to define our own functions to illustrate how the sorting works in Python programming. This video will be the first part about sorting an array. I will upload more videos about this topic and you can access the playlist anytime. Links in the description. We are going to define a function as definite bub sort and take the argument as r. Then inside this function, we declare a variable n so that we can assign the length of the array. We declare a for loop with the range as n, and inside this loop, we declare another for loop with the range from 0 to n-i-1. Inside this inner for loop, we declare an if statement such that if the array element j is less than the array element j plus 1, then we are going to perform the following. After the statement, we just give elements to the array. Now print the elements and then call the bub sort function. After that, we print the sorted array. Explanation of the program. In this program, we define a function that takes an array as an argument and sorts it in ascending order using the bubble sort algorithm. The algorithm works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order, until the array is sorted. The outer loop runs n times, where n is the length of the array, and the inner loop runs n-i-1 times, where I is the current iteration of the outer loop. This is because the last I elements are already in place, so we don't need to compare them again. Inside the inner loop, we check if the current element is greater than the next element, and if so, we swap them. This is repeated until the array is sorted. Finally, we print the sorted array. Summary: in today's video we learned what is an array and how to sort an array using bubble sort method. We will discuss more about sorting in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, feel free to post a comment so that I can help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.